Good morning, everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the term inheritance. Inheritance. The word basically means getting something from someone else. In computer language, we use inheritance for using the member attributes and method of one class into another class. It refers to defining a new class with little or no modification to an existing class. The new class is called derived or child class, and from which it inherits the properties is called base or parent class. Okay, now let me show you an example. Open the Sublime text, class, parent, def, name, self, print, inheritance. Now Python equal to child. Here I create an object called Python, and this will belongs to child class. Now Python dot name and Python dot age. Okay, let me save it. In dot py. Okay. Now open the terminal and run the Python program. Python in.py. Here we go. We can see that child class inherits the properties of parent class. Simple enough. So that's the basic of inheritance. Let's go ahead. Now we can also have the option of overriding. You can always override your parent class if you want a special functionality in your subclass. Let me show you an example. Def, name, self, print, Django. Let me save it. Now run the program again. Python in.py. Here we go. Django and 20. So I want to talk you about the properties of overriding. Although child class inherited the properties of parent class, but we can also override it. Simple enough. Let's go ahead. I want to talk about multiple inheritance. So this is a way where we can inherit properties from more than one class. Let me show you how. Here let's make another class. Class demo, parent, child. Here we type parent and child. That means it will inherit the properties of parent and child inside demo class. Let me show you how. Def, C, self, print, C. Now instead of child class, we declare an object for demo class.
demo, python.name, python.age, and python.c. Let me save it. So let me show you how it works. Open the terminal and run the Python program. Python in.py. Here we go. So it's very simple. Here, demo class inherits the properties of parent class and child class. That's called multiple inheritance. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.